Today it's the weekend, last weekend in March, and guess what arrived this morning? Yes, my Crochet Society box, and I'm really excited. It's a beautiful box with the stars and everything on it. So yes, so we're going to open the box. So if you haven't received yours and you want it to be a surprise, do not watch this video. If you're thinking of subscribing and you'd like to know what's in the boxes, then enjoy. Right, I'll just turn you around so you can see straight into the box. Right, so let's start by opening it, and this is one of the best bits. Yes, what a beautiful colour. Isn't that a lovely colour? So I'll try and get this open because it's lovely if you can save the paper. Wow. Wow, this is interesting. We've got some lovely wool, really chunky wool, some stuffing, and we've got some lights. Fairy lights, and they're stars. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, and they've got a little battery holder, so you can put the a battery in, and then they star up. So be interested to see what they suggest to use for that. And we've got some wadding or stuffing to make something. We've got this lovely Bella Coco Tea Time Chunky, and it's 100 grams there, and that is chunky. You certainly make headway with that, doing something with that. And we've got this, this is Earl Grey, and this one is Chai. I think it's Chai, C-H-A-I, or Chai. It's sort of a beigey colour, so they're both gorgeous. Then we've got, stuck together, then we've got this glitter thread. I'm not sure what we're going to be using that for, but that looks nice, the glitter thread. We've got a sew-on patch which says Midnight Crochet Club, so that's very nice. Not sure what I'll sew that onto. Then we've got, what's in here? What's in here? Oh, we've got some eyes. We've got some eyes. These are great, these things. I just mustn't let my daughter's dog get anywhere near because she bites the eyes off of any toys. I've got those sort of eyes. So we've got a major 7mm. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous, that? 7mm crochet hook. They are beautiful. Very nice. Then we've got some Moon and Stars pearl buttons. Oh, they are so cute. See if I can tip them onto something where they'd show up. What have I got? Maybe I could put them on my phone case. Look at that. See? Moon and Stars pearl buttons. Aren't they beautiful? There's quite a few in there altogether. They are lovely. Moon and Stars. Then we've got a stitch marker, which looks like it's the sun. That is beautiful. We've got some stiffener of some sort. It's really stiff sort of had something out. And then we have the book, which will tell us what's in there. So we've got a welcome bit, and says what's in there. Looks like we might be doing an owl or a basket. Looks like there's several things to do. Oh yes, so you can make the owl, and those white bits must be for the eyes. That white stuff must be to make the eyes. So you can make this beautiful owl. It's the back. It's a page showing you of all what you get in there, and all the other colours of walls that you could get. Then there's a little handbag made out of the wool, which would probably be good for keeping, little basket for keeping bits and pieces in. It's got the crochet bits in it, so if you're making something else, or some kids' toys you could keep in it. Ah, I've been wondering about these. Yes, it's making the I-cord. I remember as a kid making these with those wooden things that had sort of like 4 nails poking up, which and then you just wrap it round. You gradually go through a cotton reel and it come out the back at the bottom of the cotton reel, and you'd have this cord. Oh, this is a sort of mechanical one, hand wind one, so it makes it a lot quicker. And then once you've done it, so you do it with thinner thread, then once you've done it, you then use that thick cord, I-cord that you'd made, to then crochet with a really big needle, so that you can make something bigger, like a basket or something. So yes, I like that idea. I might have to look into getting one of those. I think obviously that'd be a lot quicker than doing it the old-fashioned way by hand, doing one thick row at a time. But I remember hours of fun sitting in the lounge in the evening in front of the fire doing that when I was a kid. Then it does just some bits and pieces, crochet here especially for you. Then it's got a cow made out of the same wool yarn that they've given us. And there's a lady wearing it. So quite a few projects. And there's some previous makes that people have made out of previous boxes. And then it's advertised in the next box. Looks beautiful, that box, doesn't it? So yeah. And then there's a guide. So really happy with that. Yes, love it. Ooh, exciting. So I'm going to keep the book back out because I like to read it, and then I'll put these other bits and pieces back in, and then I'll see what I can make. Maybe I'll come on if I manage to make something, and where to put the lights up. Yes, decorate the craft room. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it gives you an idea of what's in the boxes, and you might go and subscribe. But I've got this will be my 4th box now, and it's just lovely to open it up. A real nice surprise. It's like Christmas. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.